Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Charger SXT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7103XXA. 75,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Local trade, Granite crystal metallic in color. Charger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Charger has the Beats by Dre sound system, 10 speaker with subwoofer, 552 watts of power. And very clean, as you can see. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box. The owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 70% of tire tread left. For more information about this Charger, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.